Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today I'm walking you through how to set up a powerful streak counter in Notion using a free professional template. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a sleek, personalized streak counter that not only looks great, but helps you keep perfect track of your habits, projects, or anything you want to build consistency around. If you're ready to maximize your progress and do it with style, let's jump right in. The first thing I want to show you is just how easy this process can be, thanks to an amazing free template inside Notion. Rather than building everything from scratch, which, let's be honest, can take a ton of time and sometimes gets tricky, we're taking advantage of expert design work, so your streak counter looks professional from the start and works smoothly. Of course, you can always tweak and customize things to make it truly yours, but using a template gives you a running start. To begin, open up your Notion workspace. Look to the top left corner of your screen. There's a little drop-down menu that opens up a world of options. Click that drop-down and then find the More Options button. This is kind of like peeking behind the curtain in Notion, giving you access to extra features and tools that aren't always immediately visible. Take a moment here to get familiar, because this drop-down menu is a gateway for lots of other cool enhancements down the road. Once you've opened More Options, select Browse Templates. Here, where the magic happens. Notion's template library is vast, filled with dozens of ready-made setups for all kinds of workflows. For today, we're looking specifically for a streak counter template. Simply type streak counter into the search bar. Notion will filter the choices to show streak counter templates. Some might focus on general habits, fitness goals, learning streaks, or whatever best matches the routine you want to build. Take a look through the available templates and don't rush. Check out the previews, see what kind of vibe each template has. Are you after something minimal and clean, or maybe something colorful and energetic? Think about how you want your counter to motivate you daily. Once you've found the template that resonates with you, simply click Add, like saving a menu item to your personal collection. At this point, the template imports instantly into your workspace. Now the real fun begins, making it your own. Here you'll see fields where you can add your credentials, set up your specific streak parameters, and get creative with how you track progress. For example, you might be tracking daily writing sessions, gym visits, or mindful moments. Personalize it to match your exact needs. If you like, swap out icons, change the colors, or even rearrange the database a bit to fit your workflow. Notion makes this pretty intuitive, so don't be afraid to experiment. And remember, it's totally normal to refine things over time. Your needs might change and your streak counter can easily evolve with you. And that's it. You've just set up a professional streak counter in Notion in just a few steps. Now you're ready to stay motivated and visually track your progress every single day. If you hit any confusing parts or you're curious about extra customization tips, just drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. And if you found this tutorial useful, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more Notion walkthroughs and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to crushing your goals one day at a time.